drop out of school because of the fees. By then, actually, I don't know about the list in creating change.
Creating Change for supporting me to be able to complete my school. I have just graduated from fashion and design.
Without education, everything is going to be useless for we girls out here. Thank you very much for the support that you've been giving to me since when I'm in this school.
It is always my dream to become a teacher so that maybe I'll be posted to one of the community to help my people.
In the future, if you are called the planner, it's really something. It's really something that you should be proud about, because what men are doing, you have come in to do it, and they've actually called you planner. So I'm just so happy about it.
I say thank you to Creative Change for changing my life.